first grade friends. Today we are going to continue Module 2.5, Make a 10 to Subtract. Please follow along in your workbook or on a separate sheet of paper for page 66. Let's get started. Number 5. Graham picks 12 tomatoes. He gives 5 tomatoes to his sister. How many tomatoes does he have now? So, our subtraction problem that we're solving is 12 minus 5 equals what? We want to find out how many tomatoes does Graham have left over. So, to make a 10, let's go ahead and look at our biggest number. We have the number 12. I filled up my first tens frame to make my 10, but we need to see how many numbers we need to take away to make this 10. So I have my group of 10, and we're going to count on until we get to 12. I have 10, 11, 12. So I just added 2 red circles to give me a total of 12. But since I want to make a 10, I'm going to take away those 2 red circles. So in our book, we have 12 minus what number gives us 10? We know that 12 minus our 2 gives us 10. So on the first line, you will write 12 minus 2. Our number up here is 5. So if I take 2 away from 5, let's show that up here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take 2 of those away, I'm left with 3 red circles. So I have my 2 and my 3 that I've split for my total of 5. So breaking it down, 12 minus 2 equals 10, and we still have our 3 left over. So now we can figure out 10 minus 3. Going back to my tens frame, I can take away 3 from my 10 to show the answer. 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So, 10 minus 3 is the same as 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 also equals 7. And we can check our work. Let's add my circles back. We'll take my 2 to give us 12, and let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves us with 7 blue circles. So now Graham has 7 tomatoes. Next, let's take a look at number 6. It says, make a 10 to subtract. Draw counters to show your work. Number 6 says, what is 13 minus 8? So let's go ahead and show how to make a 10. Let's start with our smaller number, 8. So I'm going to add 1 more to make 8. Now we're going to add on our red counters to get to the number 13. So let's count on. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many red circles did I just add? Let's count together. I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. We can show this a different way as well. I know that altogether I have 13, and I'm looking to take away 8. So let's take away our 8 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red circles. Next, let's turn to homework page P23. Let's start with number 1. It says, Tanya has 18 roses. 9 of them are red. The rest are white. How many roses are white? Use the tens frame to solve and draw to show your thinking. So we know that altogether, Tanya has 18 roses. And we know that 9 of them are red. So we can subtract 9 to find how many roses are white. So in our tens frame, let's start by showing 9 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, using our red counters, let's count on until we get to the number 18. So, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's count on to see how many red circles I've just added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know that Tanya has 9 red roses and 9 white roses. If you notice, we also have our doubles fact. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Or we can show 18 minus 9. If we take away our 9 blue counters, that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 white roses or red counters. Let's take a look at number 2. It says, how can you make a 10 to subtract 16 minus 8? So this time, we have 16 minus 8. So, using our counters, let's show our 8 in the top tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll move this red one out of the way for now. Next, we're going to count on to get to that number 16. So let's continue counting. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's move these two out of the way. I just added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red circles. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. But they want us to explain how can we make a 10 to subtract 16 minus 8. So we can say we can add 2 plus 8 to make a 10. We started with 8, and to fill up our tens frame, we added 2 to make a 10. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red counters in the second tens frame. Let's finish by trying number 3 together. We are trying to figure out 14 minus 5. And again, they want you to use your counters to solve. In my top tens frame, let's go ahead and start with my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count on to get to the number 14. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's count to see how many red circles I've added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. Thank you so much for following along with me, first grade friends. On your own, please finish the back side of your homework, P24. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.